We arrived at this site yesterday to do this foundation and broke the machine. It's a really common occurrence, but I'll show you this foundation and then I'll show you what we've done, how we're going to fix it today. So this is it. It's a heck of a foundation. It's horrible. It means we've got to turn the machine 90 degrees all over the place to get into these places, and we're really close to this building here. So we did it yesterday. These first four, it's really got to go in really deep, really soft ground. So that's one problem. I'll put the copy of the foundation plan in the bottom of the video here somewhere when I edit this. You can see what a horrible foundation it is. Really complex and difficult to manoeuvre. And because we've got to manoeuvre 90 degrees all the time, the run wheels on this machine, this is the blue machine, we've lost two of the wheels. We lost one yesterday, that was this one, you can see that one, and no, sorry, it was the top one, and we took that one off and used it on the other side because this is like a centre wheel, we can get away with that. But all the bearings have had it. And on this side, this one, oh here we are, this one, where is it? Yeah, down there, that one broke as well, and we looked for one that we could temporarily replace it with on this side, and we couldn't find anything, couldn't get any off. They're like fully bloody rusted in. So we left yesterday early and went back to the base, and we found three wheels which are not the best condition, as you can see, but they'll do the trick. We've got some new bearings. This is Podshevnik in Russian. Where are we? This is them. These go in, two of these in each one, and then bang that on, and then we've got to get the track back on once the wheel's on. So it's all good fun. Got to get the old bits of bearing out of those wheels and then get those on, and then we should be good to go again today. But yeah, it's a problem all the time. These, in fact, I showed you on the Terminator where you don't have this problem, but these do have this problem. Even if they get wet, they start to rust out straight away. They're really bad bearings, and there's nothing you can do. You can't get decent bearings for them here. So it's a problem for us. But this is a blue one, Sini Stanok, we call it. And okay, quick look at this one. If anybody's interested. This is one that was running on. This used to run on an electric motor. Three-phase generator was in there, and it had an electric motor in there, and that was ran onto the pump. And we changed that out. We put a Chinese motor in there. It's a copy of a Briggs and Stratton, I think. And we put in the pump directly onto this Chinese motor, and that works quite well. And this is the old petrol tank from the old generator that we reused. Controls are the same way, same thing, same deal basically. Slight differences, but these controls are the same. That's the same. That's the same. This one's got a couple of quirks. This one's got the possibility. It did have the possibility to drill. It's been taken out, but that was a drill control, and now we can control the hammer and the Lebedka, what do they call that? That thing anyway, with those two, so slightly different. This has got a fixed, this is not the fixed bottom point, these swivel up and down, so slight differences. This you can move with the tail up in the air, no problem if it's on level ground, whereas the Terminator you can't do that, you just fall over straight away. So this is what this one's. It's actually a very stable machine, but it's only got just under a ton hammer on it, so it's for soft ground it's great, but for hard ground it kind of takes a long time. The automatic doesn't work on this, unfortunately, but yeah. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll do an update video on this foundation later on. You can see how we've got on. This is day 3 of this horrible fundament we're doing, foundation we're doing. And as you can see, this half now is completely done, and this half here is we're about to do. We fixed the wheels, and it's hard going. It's a lot of technically moving around the foundation and turning the machine. So it should be finished today, hopefully. Today is Monday, so yeah, very hot. We're at 27 degrees today in direct sunlight, so it's making life a bit more difficult. I'll show you what it's like when it's completed. Although I don't understand how the heck it's going to work, how the Oblast is going to work. But anyway, that's their problem, isn't it? Well, this is the last day of this foundation. It's day 4. It's still very hot weather. We had 27 yesterday, and we're probably at the same thing. It's a real sun trap, this, so we're wary of that and trying to keep cool, work a bit, then sit down a bit. But you can see it's almost done now, so we can get a better view here. Almost done. Okay, so we've had to turn the machine 90 degrees again, and now coming down there. Then when that's finished, then it turns again 90 degrees here and goes down that final 3, which will be there, if my finger's in the right place, and that'll be it. Mostly cut down, a few to go, so hopefully get finished and I'll show you the end product once it's done. Well, that's it, another one finished. As you can see, these are cut at 30 centimeters. Not sure how the Oblast is going to go, but anyway, that's it. Strange foundation, very odd. From where I can gather, there's 2 exits and entrances, one over here where these 2 are, and then another one over there somewhere. So it's a very tight space. You've only got 3 meters from the fence, which is the minimum legal requirement. So and it's very close to that shed there, so I don't know. But yeah, all done. Just waiting for our driver to bring us home now. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way, if you like my videos.